Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to obtain top 3 cities from each and every state by making use of the rank function. So let me switch to Tableau. I'm connected to Sample Superstore data source, where we have information for 49 different states from the US. And in every state, there are different cities for which we have the data. Let me look at the profit. Now my requirement is to obtain the top 3 cities from every state. I'll go ahead and sort this data first. If I directly apply the city filter here and ask Tableau to fetch me the top 3 profitable cities, it is going to show us the overall top 3 profitable cities for the business. It is not showing us top 3 by state, which is our requirement. Now, how do we get top 3 by state? That can be done by making use of the rank function. I'm going to take profit again from the measures pane and place it in the chart and apply quick table calculation rank. Now let me change this to discrete to be able to see the rank. You can notice Tableau has given a rank of 1 for every city. We need to change the direction or the addressing, which is compute using option, and compute the rank by city. Once this modification is done, you will notice how Tableau is giving a rank to every city in each state based on its profit performance. Now, I don't need the complete list. I need only the top 3 cities here. So I'm going to move profit into the filters shelf and choose the top 3 ranks that are required. Now the chart is updated, showing us the top 3 cities from every state. To see the rank in the graph, you can move it again into the graph by doing a control, click and drag. When you do a control, click and drag, the original copy, that is profit pill on the filters shelf, will remain the way it is, and a copy of it is taken into the rows shelf. If you do a direct drag and drop, it will remove the profit from the filters shelf, returning the entire data. So here we can clearly see that we have obtained top 3 cities from each and every state.